Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. Today we're going to do a little maintenance on the Integra. We're going to be seafoaming it. So I'll show you the steps it takes to seafoam any Honda from the 90s, pretty much any car really. So first you'll need to get some seafoam. Right here, motor treatment. You're going to need your coffee for energy. So let's walk over here to the Integra, get the hood popped, and I'll show you what you need to do. So here's my stock 1997 Acura Integra LS motor. It's gonna be pretty simple. All we're gonna do is come over here to the brake booster vacuum line. We're gonna pop this hose off here, and that's where we're gonna be putting in the seafoam. So let's get the seafoam measured out and get started. So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna measure out 5 ounces. So I got 5 ounces here, got this measuring cup. And then we're going to come over, take the vacuum line off. So what we're going to do is just take this vacuum line off right here. Oh yeah, the HSG shift knob. So I left it on a little bit, so when you pull this, you're going to have a vacuum leak and the motor's going to start cavitating a little bit. So let's get the seafoam. I'll get you on the tripod and we'll put this in. So as you saw there, once I pulled the hose off, it started to rev up a little bit more. That's fine, that's normal. You're going to want to do is slowly suck up that seafoam, and then after you have it all sucked up, turn off the motor and we'll wait about 15-20 minutes. But till then, I can show you the Civic here. I did pick up some new OEM front and rear bumpers. I had some aftermarket ones. Actually, they're still right over here. The fitment wasn't the greatest on it. I mean, they worked. There's just a couple humps in the front and in the rear that I didn't like. And I found these OEM bumpers off of Part Out for $20 a piece, so I picked them up. And also, he threw in the headliner. So I'll be redoing this headliner. This is my old one right here with all the damage on it. So yeah, now let's wait and then we'll get the car started up and smoke it out. just like that, fast, simple, and easy, you can clean up your engine from carbon buildup. All you have to do is pick up the Seafoam for $8 to $10, and pretty simple. It's about a 20-minute thing. Put it in, wait about 20 minutes, and let's go for a drive. And when I started it up, usually start it up, get the RPMs up to 3,000 or 4,000, leave it there for a little bit, and then go for a drive and burn the rest off. People might look at you weird. I had a couple weird looks as I'm driving through my neighborhood with all the smoke coming out. They're like, what the heck? That car's gonna blow up. What a piece of shit. It's a Honda. You know how they do it. But yeah, if you have any questions, just comment them down below. I get back to you pretty quick, usually within a day, sometimes even within a few minutes. You know, I get bored. I'm on my phone a lot. What can I say? But if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, peace out. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. Having a great day today. But when you start it up after you are, oh my gosh, why do I spin around freaking circles?